Oh yeah.
Inside Out 2 characters and their favorite snacks. Riley. Pringles. Joy. Twinkies. Anger. Flamin' Hot Cheetos. Sadness. Whatever's in the fridge. Disgust. Lay's sour cream chips. Fear. Trail mix. Anxiety. Cheez-Its. Ennui. Goldfish crackers while she scrolls on her phone and eats them mindlessly. Envy. Jelly beans. Embarrassment. Jelly beans. He likes to play with Envy and they close their eyes and try to guess the flavors. Bloofy. Beef jerky. Bloofy's pouch. Wallets. The big dark secret. Oreos. Mind Police. Mini donuts. Lance Slashblade. Pocky and Boba. Valentina. Takis. Bree and Grace. Pop-Tarts. Riley's parents. Rice Krispie treats. Nostalgia. Lemon with sugar poured on top. Coach Roberts. Ice cubes. Okay, everybody, thank you guys so much for watching. That was Inside Out 2 characters and their favorite snacks. Huge thanks to Sadness for telling me all of her friends' favorite snacks. And her favorite snack, which is everything in the fridge. She is the snack expert because she eats a lot whenever she's sad, and she's always sad, so you know what that means. This is MVPerry Fandoms. We'll see you in the next video. Oh yeah.